Hey, what's up guys? Make Money Matt here, helping you guys make money online. Right now, I'm logged into my Google AdSense account to show you guys how much money I've made off of YouTube that just got deposited into my bank account today. I made $19,142.35 in the month of January, and it just got paid to me on February 21st when I'm recording this video. And what if I were to tell you that I made this nearly $20,000 uploading videos I didn't even make? You're probably really confused by now as to what I mean by that, but I'm going to show you exactly what I mean and how you guys can do this too. But first, I have to address a couple comments I've been getting on this channel. I got a ton of comments from people saying that I should refresh my AdSense page to prove that this really is my AdSense account. So I'm going to do that for you guys right now. If we just go on over to the refresh button right here in my browser, click refresh. As you guys can see, it loads all the way through here. This actually is my AdSense account, guys. And this is only the last 3 months too. See, in February, $19,000, $27,000 in January's earnings. And then if we click all time here, I can show you guys how much money I've made off of YouTube. Let's shrink those down right there. As you guys can see, $19,000 in January, which just got paid to me in February today, $27,000 in December, $19,000 in November, $13,000 in October, $16,000 in September, $10,000 in August. As you can see, pretty much every month throughout the whole of 2018, I've made over $10,000 a month, except for a couple months at the beginning of the year here in May. It's possible to make a lot of money on YouTube using videos you didn't even make. And like I promised you guys, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by uploading videos you didn't even make and show you how you guys can do this too. So here's the first example channel that I'd like to show you guys that's doing this exact same thing, uploading videos to YouTube they didn't even make. It's called Master Saint, and they have 3.5 million subscribers. And there's something really shocking about this channel that I'm about to show you, but before I do, let me show you their Social Blade stats here. This channel is making between $800 and $13,000 per month, and I can tell you guys from experience that number is right around in the middle of those two numbers. By my estimates, this channel is making around $7,000 per month. This channel hasn't uploaded a video for over 8 months. They went without uploading a video for a whole 8 months, and they're still, to this month in February of 2018, they're still making around $7,000 a month. It could be even more than that, using videos they didn't even make. So now you're probably curious as to what type of videos that this channel is making. These videos are super simple, videos that you guys can make too. Let's just click on a random video here, like this one for example. She didn't survive this wave, right? So we click this video, really good clickbait title and thumbnail, makes you want to click it. When you actually watch the video,
going through a ton of clips of the
it's just a guy voiceover over the video saying, we're going to be taking a look at some of these shocking wave encounters that people have had and caught on video. Enjoy the video, guys. And then he just plays
dangerous waves
videos that other people have taken and uploaded onto YouTube. So he found these videos on YouTube, put them together into a compilation, did a really quick voiceover at the beginning of the videos. These are videos he didn't even make. He's using other people's videos and making a lot of money doing this. This person, Master Saint, hasn't uploaded a video in 8 months. You can profit from videos you made years ago, and hopefully for years to come. You might be saying though, I don't want to do a voiceover on the videos, that's too much work, I gotta get a microphone, or I have to record it on my phone and then edit it. Let me show you a channel that makes even more money than this channel, and does no voiceovers whatsoever. So the channel I'm talking about is called Quantum Tech HD. This channel has 2.2 million subscribers. And if we go to their Social Blade statistics right here, this is absolutely crazy. You guys are going to be shocked by this. This channel makes between $25,000 and $400,000 per month. They do no voiceovers on their videos. All they do is find all of these kind of tech videos. They put them together into a single video, like a compilation of all these tech videos, and these videos get a ton of views, and you guys can do this too. Looking at their Social Blade statistics right here, they're making between $1,000 and $16,000 a day. Could you imagine that type of money? That is life-changing money, uploading videos to YouTube they didn't even make. Pretty much every video they upload gets a million views. They are actually implementing techniques that I've noticed a lot of these channels that get a lot of views implement, and as a result they're making a lot of money. And if you guys are interested into what techniques I am talking about, I do have a course showing you my exact strategies and my exact techniques down in the description to show you guys exactly how you can make a lot of money on YouTube uploading videos you didn't even make. Let's just click a random video. For example, this one, new inventions that are on another level. When we play this video, there's just an intro at the beginning of the video, and if we go and we watch, this is using videos they didn't even make. So they show all these different kind of futuristic tech inventions that they found. You guys can find videos like this on Indiegogo, Kickstarter, any of the websites of that nature. You can find all of these new tech inventions. Download the YouTube videos, or go directly to YouTube, find videos like this, download the video, upload it to YouTube, put it as part of like a compilation with a ton of videos in them, like this Quantum Tech HD channel is doing. I don't think a lot of people understand the possibility of this and understand how much money some of these channels are making. Like, you've probably seen some of these channels before and not realize that they're making $200,000 a month. They can be making that much. It's not just these new inventions that this channel is showing that are on another level. The income of these channels is on another level. Enough of my cheesy jokes though. This is a really big opportunity and there is a lot of money to be made. This is the #1 way of making money online for beginners. It requires no spending on advertising, no spending on Facebook ads, no upfront investment whatsoever. All you literally need to start doing this is an internet connection and a bank account. You guys are probably wondering, how is this channel able to get away using videos they didn't even make with no voiceover? How do they not get copyright strike doing this? Now the answer is very simple, and that is because they put links to every single product they show within the video in the description. And like I said, you guys, look at the first link right there. It's a Kickstarter link. You can go to Kickstarter, Amazon. You can go to any of these product pages, download the YouTube videos, and this channel's making a lot of money doing this. So these videos are essentially an 11-minute advertisement for every single product that they show within the video. And just a tip for you guys as well, make sure that you make your videos longer than 10 minutes, because then you can put multiple advertisements within your video, and you can make significantly more money doing this. If you guys are serious about trying out this method, you can check out my courses at the links in the description. I show you my exact strategies to making 6 figures on YouTube without even making videos. I show you literally everything I could think of in the building of a YouTube channel and making money from it, including the best niches, how to make an AdSense account, how to download videos, upload them, optimize your videos for views and subscribers, optimize your channel, secrets to multiplying your revenue to make more than other people on YouTube make. Everything else I could think of is in my main course. You guys can check that out at the first link in the description. I did come out with a new course, my advanced masterclass, to show you the advanced techniques that you can use to take your YouTube income to the next level. In this course, I show you my exact top niches that I use, how to get around copyright ID and avoid strikes. I show you multiple examples of the full process of me finding videos, optimizing videos, and uploading them. And then I show you the best advanced techniques to optimize your videos for views and subscribers, because there really is a strategy that goes in to increase your chances of going viral on YouTube. Finally, I show you guys how you can get a monetized channel super fast. If you do want to save $50 and get both courses, you can get my Make Money on YouTube bundle, in which you get both courses, my main course and my advanced masterclass, for $250. That's a $50 discount compared to what it would be if you bought both courses on their own, but my main course is more than enough to get started in making money on YouTube. However, if you want to take your YouTube income to the next level, you guys can consider getting my advanced masterclass. You can learn a lot of these things by yourself through trial and error. That's what I did. However, if you do want the shortcuts and the blueprints and the exact strategies and techniques that I've used and that I continue to use to make a ton of money on YouTube without even making videos, check out my courses at the link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.